definitely the opportunity to see your business from a different angle, to, think deeply about areas of your business you may not have had an opportunity to do. And I think it's also will strengthen your confidence in areas that you felt you were already doing well in. But it also helps you to kind of pinpoint areas where you might be a little bit weaker and areas of strength, and helps you to develop a plan to take your business to the next level. I think all of those, and I mean, that's kind of what it did for me, for sure. I think the opportunity to create plans in different areas gave me a starting point for things.